Hey, how you
Can
doing?
I help you?
You alone down here?
Aaron?
Hey, guys. You can't be down here. Do you have clearance for this level?
Nobody's supposed to be down here.
Well, I'm supposed to be down here. I'm Dr. Shearer.
Yeah, we're in the middle of a sampling audit. It's not safe for you guys to be
straighten
here.
this out upstairs.
Hey, don't touch that.
Let's pack it up.
Don't-
Let's go.
Look, nobody
Come on,
touch anything.
Just follow us.
I'm not gonna sit here and argue with you. I'm gonna call your boss and we're gonna figure it out.
Watch
Hey,
it.
Hey, hold on a second.
I'm gonna get my bag. We gotta go. This way.
I don't know where this goes.
Let's open it. Step back.
Lock it down! Hey, you! Come here, come on. Is that locked?
Yes, sir.
No one in, no one out, you understand? Hey! What happened to those 3 guys you sent downstairs? Come with me. You stay there, okay? Stay there.
We belong here.
You go and get everyone else. Don't go in the front. Go through the eastern door. Straight down the front.
All right, get back! Stay back! Give me some room. All right, give me some room. Give me some room, please. All right, he's gonna need a doctor. Security? Security! Over here, please. Over here.